Welcome, today I am with CAVION 5.0 and I'm going to show you how you can log out from one of your Gmail account. So at the first you have to open your Gmail. Click here. As you can see, we are logging with three accounts, so click to take me to Gmail. Now click on the left upper corner. Click on this arrow and tap to manage accounts. And as you can see here, we got all accounts, so if you want to remove one of them, I'm going for the first one. Tap on it and then click to remove account, confirm. And as you can see, after a few moments, we get rid of that account. So if you found this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.